A computer is defined as an electronic device that takes input from the user in the form of data and instructions, processes this data and produces output as information.
The sound that you heard now is from the audio file created by Python. We will see how to create this audio file using Python program. First of all, you have to install a Python library, gTTS, Google Text to Speech. For that, open your command window, then just type pip install gTTS, Google Text to Speech. Your gTTS library will be installed. Here I have already installed gTTS library. That's why it shows this message. We will start our program. First statement is from gTTS import G capital TTS. gTTS is Google Text to Speech. From gTTS module, import the function gTTS. Next I am going to store my text into a variable. My text equal to, I just copy this from my slide, then create the audio object, obj equal to, call the function gTTS, then the arguments, text equal to my text, the next argument is language, lang equal to en for English, then next argument is slow equal to false. False is for normal reading. Then next is saving my audio file, obj dot save, then give the file name sample dot mp3. Only 4 lines of code. I am going to save it. File, save to mp3. I am going to save my file in desktop. Save. You can also give your text like this, triple quotes at the starting and triple quotes at the end. I am going to execute. No error. See my file, sample is created in desktop. Then you can insert that audio in your slide. Insert sound desktop sample automatically. Slideshow.
A computer is defined as an electronic device that takes
sound.
input from the user in the form of data and instructions, processes
Listen,
data
it
and
is reading.
produces output as information.